Covering education now. In just a few hours, you'll know whether your child attends an A school or possibly one being given an F. The State Board of Education meets today, and after several weeks of delay, it's expected to release its accountability scores. RTV6's Ann Kelly live downtown with details. And so far, we know overall fewer schools got that dreaded F this time around.
Right, Mark. Right now, we don't have the school-specific numbers when it comes to the A through F accountability grades, but we do know that overall, this time around, fewer schools are getting that dreaded F, and more schools are being given that sought-after A. Now, we're looking at just over 1,100 Indiana schools being given an A this year. That's a 19% jump from last year and 31% increase compared with 2012. And what's more, compared with last year's scores, we're looking at a 25% drop in schools getting an F grade this time around, and a 41% change from 2012. Now, these scores are being released today after some dispute over the grading of several international baccalaureate schools. The board saying it received new data since then, and in one case, a school's grade was adjusted as a result. Now, what school that was and the specific score that your child's school and district are going to be given, that's going to be released again later this morning. The State Board of Education is meeting here downtown at 9:30. For now, reporting live outside our Monument Circle studio, Ann Kelly, RTV6.